I would say maybe a couple years, because I had rotator cuff surgery a few years back and I didn't want to go through that again. Just a lack of movement. I couldn't play golf very well, and anytime I had to reach, I couldn't reach for a seat buckle, things like that. You know, anytime I had to turn around and grab something, it would hurt. Golf. I haven't played golf in over a year now, but I'm ready to do it now. Yeah, you know, with a leave and heating pads and typical stuff like that, you know, nothing really worked. Might have relieved some pain, but a little bit, but not much. Well, nothing really bad can come of it if you let the people that are knowledgeable, which they are here, strengthen those muscles. Even if you had to have rotator cuff surgery, which they even tell you that's still possible, that you will recover much quicker because you have strengthened all those muscles around the rotator cuff. The friendliness to everybody. My name's Denny, but they call me Norm. And that's because I requested it, because, you know, Norm on Cheers. So they start calling me Norm. Freedom of movement, basically, you know, to get rid of that, where I can't sleep at night because no matter where I put my arm, it hurt. I'm almost cured right now. I mean, I can move my arm in all different directions without pain. I'm still going to continue with home exercises, but after that, I don't expect to have a lot of problems.